Hello, brief calculus students. I wanted to go over the answers on the midterm, and I'm trying to use my tripod and camera to write these down. Okay, remember, for this first one, we're just going to take the negative, just take the exponent, move it down, negative 3x, and then subtract 1, be a negative 4. So, derivative equals, make that negative right up there. And then we'll do the same thing, move the exponent down, multiply it by 3, and I believe that came out to 17.1, and then we'll subtract 1, x to the 4.7. Okay, there's our first derivative. Second one, lots of you just multiplied that through, that's fine. So that made 42t squared minus 56t. So that's the function itself. If we want to take the derivative then, we get 84t minus 56. Okay, so I'm going to move this up, looking in the camera, moving up. Okay, when you have a fraction, take the derivative by derivative is going to be the derivative of the top times whatever's on the bottom. Subtract derivative of the bottom times whatever's on the top. And then you square what's on the bottom. So if I square this, that's just p to the 6. And some people did simplify this, multiply it through, and it came out to be negative 14p cubed minus 3p squared all over p to the 6th power. Okay, and then the next one, a lot of people had some trouble on. I'm trying to move this in the screen on my computer so you can see it. Let me just take the show you what the derivative of this piece right here is. So if I had 6, so if I had some function g of n, and 6 times n squared minus n plus 6. If I just want to take the derivative of that, that would, well, the 6 is a constant coefficient, so it stays. N squared becomes 2n, minus n becomes negative 1, and then the plus 6 goes to 0. So the derivative of the function itself, f prime of n, is going to be, we're going to move this down, oops, way over there. So 3 times 5 is 15. Then we'll keep what's in the parentheses, and we'll just have it in square. Take the derivative of what was in the parentheses. 6 times 2n minus 1. I said it and didn't write it. And we'll close it. And then, okay, let me fill in this. That was 6 times n squared minus n plus 6. Then we'll take this derivative of negative 16 to the 1/2, n to the 1/2 becomes negative 8 n to the negative 1/2. Right there. Okay, so e to any power, so we take the derivative. We just keep e to the 5t plus 6, and we take the derivative of 5t plus 6, that's going to be times 5. And then finally, when we have a natural log of something, we take its derivative. We just put that 1 minus x squared, just put it over 1 over whatever that is. Then what's the derivative of this? Well, it's negative 2x. So simplify negative 2x over 1 minus x squared. All right.